bolts are fed to a high-tech threaded lathe to create even twists. These lathes are considered professional equipment that can produce screws with advanced technology and high efficiency. They are very suitable for handling hard materials such as carbon steel, stainless steel. As a result, the finished bolts are always created with high precision, standard and beautiful shape, saving a lot of time and labor. Similar to bolts, nuts are also made from raw steel and have to go through a series of processes to create the finished product. Each finished nut must match and fit with the bolts to be considered standard. From the long metal bar, people put it into the machine and cut it into short iron blocks of equal size. As you can see, after a few minutes, the machine created a long bucket filled with small iron blocks. After that, the iron blocks will be put on the chain, brought to the furnace at a high temperature to make them soft and malleable. At the end of the line, the worker waits for the iron block to be heated red and fall. He will take it to the automatic punching machine to punch a hole in the heart for the nut. The nut is then transported through the chain towards the hydraulic forging machine, which is quickly forged in the design of a standard hexagonal shape. At this point, we've seen the shape of nuts, but we're not done yet. The important stage lies behind. The next step, after the cooling down, the nut will be put on the lathe to drill a groove in the heart. The steady turns of the lathe rapidly creates a spiral groove that coincides with the spiral of the bolt. Masses of products are being created at the breakneck speed at the same time. If only using the human factor, it is difficult to produce such a large number of bolts and screws. It is undeniable that this modern closed process makes the production process more convenient and easier. From there, it is also possible to reduce the number of workers at the factory, saving a large amount of costs. Finally, the workers do not forget to check each nut carefully before sending it to the factory. On the market today, there are many types of bolts and nuts with diverse sizes and shapes suitable for many uses. Therefore, their production process will also be very different. The above is standard procedure, suitable for most models. Our video today comes to an end. How do you feel? Let us know by commenting. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to support us to have more motivation to make good videos. For now, hello and see you in the next videos.
Along with the ballpoint pens, pencils are the most common objects in today's life. In particular, for some professions, pencils are an indispensable tool in sketching ideas as well as creating excellent work. As the pencil is especially popular because it can be easily erased and corrected with an eraser. Pencils look small and simple, but it is easy to mass produce a quality pencil at the factory. So follow us to the video below. To produce billions of pencils each year, they will build a fully automated production process. First, the clay and graphite are crushed and mixed and compacted to prepare the pencil core. Using lead material, it is not only to help the users easily take note and erase easily, but it also creates a grip and a durability with writing. Then, the machine system will press and create a lead into a cylindrical fused block. Then the lead will be put into an extrusion machine system to form a small pencil core of a suitable size. And at this time, because the lead is still too long, they will take it to a process and then cut them, in turn with an automatic cutter. As in general, this process requires a high precision and a technique to ensure the quality of the pencil core. In order to create a pencil, a pen body is indispensable, right? As the majority of the pencil body will be made from the cedar wood or a small piece of wood, as the wood for the pen will not be too hard, which will make it difficult to sharpen the pencil, nor should it be too soft, which will make the pencil easy to break. As after the wood is cut into a flat board, then they are moved to the grooving system, as grooving this wood will help with the assembly process. Unlike the ballpoint pens or many other pens, pencils are assembled fairly quickly and without much effort because of its simple components. After inserting the lead cores into the wood groove, another wood is installed with the previous one to complete the shape of the pencil. As the appearance of a product is very important, so is the pencil production process, as it is indispensable to beautify this pencil. As the color of the pencil is usually wooden color. However, depending on the consumer's needs and the market trends, the pencil will be painted in different colors by the manufacturer. as the process of mass production of pencils are amazing. The use of a pencil brings great benefits, and it is favored by many people because it is a simple structure and easy to use. That is why there are many small and larger pencil factories all over Europe. Each factory has its own way of operating and purpose, but in general, they are factories with a large scale and a highly specialized human resource. At the same time, the most advanced equipment is also used to produce pencils, such as extrusion device, cutting devices, cooling devices, and the pencil installation and finishing device, which are stable and powerful. Modern pencil designs often have a built-in eraser at the tip of the pencil, so that the user can easily erase the wrong or unnecessary marks on the paper. The eraser built into the tip of the pencil is usually made of rubber or synthetic resin. With a light force, the user can use the eraser's head to erase the traces of writing on the paper easily and quickly. Finally, they are boxed and ready to be delivered to the consumers in the market. As how is our video today? Let us know by commenting down below. Don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe button to support the channel and have more motivation to make more good videos. And for now, goodbye, and see you in the next video. By far, noodles are one of the fastest foods prepared and consumed by anyone. Usually, all you need to do is take a sachet, pour all of its content into a pot of boiling water, and then add the enclosed ingredients to them. So how are these noodles made? Follow us through the video below. The incredible mass production of instant noodles. As a specialized instant noodle manufacturer, the factory has developed modern equipment to create the instant noodle packs with different output to meet the maximum needs of users. Instant noodle production line includes a fully automatic dough supply system, kneading machine, dough rolling machine, frying machines, air coolers, conveyors, and a finished product packing machine. Mixing a powder is an important step of the production process. Mixing the flour with water into a flexible dough by automatic mixing systems. Dissolving additives such as sugar, salt, etc. and disperse them evenly throughout the dough, making the dough a homogeneous mass. As this mixture is mixed evenly in a mixing bowl by an automatic and self-contained equipment. After kneading, the dough will be discharged into a container and then moved through the conveyor belt, which will go through the rolling system, which has the effect of rolling the dough into dough sheets. When they're rolling the flour, they will create a thin and even dough leaf, helping the noodles to swell evenly and have a smooth structure in the next stage. During this stage, the powder leaves will be moved to the cutting and cotting system, as this process has the effect of creating the characteristic shape and size of the noodles and increasing the sensory value by creating cotton. And the noodles will also go through the streaming and frying machine to increase the toughness, gloss, and fiber for more yellow noodles that we see. After the noodles are fried until golden brown, they will go through a cooling system, as a fan blows and dissipates the heat, reducing the temperature of the noodles and avoiding water condensation on the surface of the noodle. As at the same time, the noodles will go through an equinative cutting area to ensure the right quantities of noodles into the container trays. As before packing the noodles, they will provide seasoning packages for to create a flavor and to satisfy everyone's eating needs. As the creation of seasoning packages for the noodles seems more sophisticated because it is made from ingredients such as fresh vegetables, meat, and seafood. As the ingredients will be mixed at a high temperature to make water seasoning. These spices, when mixed with water, form a rich broth for the noodles. And finally, in the noodle packaging line, the product packaging will cut the according to the needs and packages to the finished product with a beautiful design, as the operation are repeated continuously with high accuracy, as the weight of the noodles is always properly adjusted according to the production requirements and limited errors. With these advantages, manufacturers can minimize production costs and damaged products. Instant noodle brands that have existed and developed for a long time always provide the market with noodle products with a variety of flavors to satisfy the delight dinners. as instant noodles seem to be a simple dish. But if you know how to prepare them, they will become a scrumptious dish that is delicious. How was our video today? Let us know by commenting below, and don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe button to support the channel and have more motivation to make more good videos. And for now, goodbye